your baby daddy, daddy super weird. Got your girl last night and you left to the with my shirt off, that's a heart attack. She like it when I whip it fast and I whip it.
Give us some gas.
Huh?
Give us some gas. Excuse me, sir?
Yes, sir?
Save some pussy for the rest of us, please. I will enjoy my possible death.
It's okay, bro. It's the seatbelt wouldn't have done anything anyways. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on though.
Tuner.
Look at that.
Whoa, that grinded hard.
No, because the shift cable stretched.
Ah. God damn.
Did that not break loose or what?
I believe down. Everybody here. That's MR2. Yeah. He goes, nothing crazy. Alright, Toyota M2 mid-engine, usually big bumper with modified ease. As you can hear, sounds fun. Alright, another. Big turbo, 3.5 liter V6 swap Toyota MR2 versus the big dog Lamborghini Huracan STO, the ultimate version of the Lamborghini Huracan to finalize the Huracan's lifespan, let's say. Big wing,
shit. Oh shit.
Okay.